Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming your Redmi model and MIUI/Android version so you know which fixes apply. Reproduce the black screen by placing a test call. Note whether screen stays off during incoming, outgoing, or both. Make sure battery is above 20% and disable battery saver features because aggressive power settings can shut the display or sensors. Once done, toggle Do Not Disturb and ensure proximity sensor and screen timeout settings are default, so you have a clean baseline. Next, address sensors and app-level causes. Physically clean the proximity sensor area, then run the built-in sensor test to confirm readings. Dirty sensors often keep the screen off. Clear cache and, if needed, data for the phone app, then revoke and regrant call, overlay and draw over apps permissions because misconfigured permissions can hide the UI. Boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app causes the blackout. If calls work in safe mode, uninstall recent apps one by one to find the culprit. Finish with system-level remedies. Install any pending MIUI or firmware updates because manufacturers often patch call screen bugs. Check for display overlays and temporarily switch to the stock launcher. These can interfere with in-call UI. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a final software step. If the black screen survives a reset, suspect hardware, request service, or replacement of the proximity sensor/display assembly. One key tip: after any change, retest with multiple call types to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.